I'm going to do a quick video on how to pop the doors on the i8. Let's see. This happens to be right here. I don't know if I need it, so I'll just open this fucking thing. Screwdriver would probably be advisable. That one is not it, so I was just showing you not to do that one. And just showing you what's under there. This one is it. So you repeat the process on both sides. You don't really have to watch. And you're supposed to pop it at the same exact time. So preferably do it with two people. Of course. Unlock. It's right there. Grab the keys. Oh, get it right there. So make sure it doesn't hit. And this side only has one. Just pop it open. In there. Let's see. It's a little bit easier if you have two free hands. General idea, it's pretty hard to pull. So when you look at it, it almost feels like you would break it, but don't worry about it. If you're only popping it once, you might as well put these things back in. And then here, again, advisable that both people lift it up. Once it's up, you could put something on the hinges, or you could get a stick. I forget the recommended way to do it, but I think it's something on the hinges. There you go. I'm going to be looking for radiator fluid, which it just told me is low. This is in no way a recommendation to do this. I obviously just do what I can do as quick as possible. So that looks like it would be windshield wiper fluid. Moving around to the other side, that obviously is a battery. That looks like brake fluid. But the radiator is down there. Sure looks like a radiator to me. Intercooler? No, I don't think so. Oh, right here. No. It would be nice if these things have names on them. Okay, so I have no idea what any of these are. There's three of them though. Battery fluid? Oh, it's hot. Maybe that's a radiator. Overfill tank right there. Yep, I think that's the radiator. That's it. I'm going to put these on. Advisable just to put them back on, probably right when you pop them, so you don't lose them. This lower one has a charging, looks like the emergency to open up. Oh, it has a charging cable on it. So maybe if that accidentally, if it locks. So if the doors lock and you have your charging cable in there, it locks the charging cable in. So maybe if it malfunctions, you can go down there and open it. Don't quote me on that. Probably that's what it is. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.